Avoid doing what you would blame others for doing. What method must we take to lead a good life? To do nothing we would condemn in others. What is necessary to happiness? A sound body and a contented mind. The past is certain, the future obscure. Time is the wisest of all things that are, for it brings everything to light. Nothing is more active than thought, for it travels over the universe. Nothing is stronger than necessity, for all must submit to it. A multitude of words is no proof of a prudent mind. Suretyship is the precursor of ruin. What is it that is most beautiful? The universe, for it is the work of God. What is most powerful? Necessity, because it triumphs over all things. What is most difficult? To know oneself. What is most easy? To give advice. Take time by the forelock. As brightness is to rustiness, so labour excelleth idleness. I will be sufficiently rewarded if, when telling it to others, you will not claim the discovery to be your own, but will say it was mine. There's no difference between death and life, so why don't you just die? Because there's no difference. Adultery is not worse than perjury. The world is wonderful because it is a creation of God. Mind is the swiftest of all things, for it runs through everything. Since life is short, don't make it long with bad deeds. What's divine? That which has neither beginning nor end. We not live in reality on the summit of a solid earth, but at the bottom of an ocean of air. If there is neither excessive wealth nor immoderate poverty in a nation, then justice may be said to prevail. Hope is the only good thing that is common to all men. Those who have nothing else possess hope still. What man is happy? He who has a healthy body, a resourceful mind, and a docile nature. Who is happy? This is a person who has a healthy body, is endowed with peace of mind, and cultivates his habits. Many words are not proof of the wise man, because the sage only talks when it's needed, and the words are measured and corresponding with the need. The most difficult thing in life is to know yourself.